Hey, Math 2, hello again. Let me read the answers to you from your workbook page. When I say greater than or less than, these are the signs I'm talking about. This one is greater than, this one is less than. For number 1, it is greater than. Number 2 is greater than. Number 7 is greater than. Number 8 is equal. Number 9 is less than. Number 10 is negative 3/2, negative 0.5, 5/4, 1.5. Those are in order from least to greatest. Number 11 is negative 0.9, positive 0.09, 1/11, and 1/10. Number 12 is negative 11/12, negative 1/6, negative 0.1, and 0.12 repeating. Number 13 is negative 6.6, negative 5/6, 0.6, and 2/3. Let me just go over one of these, because I think if you can do one of them, then you can do all of them. So let's go over number 12. Number 12 says 0.12 repeating, negative 11/12, negative 1/6, and negative 0.1. So we have to put these in order from least to greatest. One thing I notice is that these three are negative, and this one right here is positive. What do we know about positive numbers? They're always bigger than negative numbers. So this is going to be the biggest number on the list, definitely. So once we are done ordering these, we'll put that one on the list as the biggest because it's the only positive number. So let's order these three. We need to turn them into decimals. For 11/12, you'll take 11 divided by 12. Put 11 in your calculator first. You get 0.916 repeating, and that is negative. Negative 0.916666666 repeating. Negative 1/6, you will take 1 divided by 6. 1 divided by 6 is 0.16 repeating, and that is negative. And this one is already a decimal. Now that they are in decimal form, I can line them up. Let's start with this one. Negative 9.16, and that 6 repeats, so let me write a couple of 6's. Negative 0.16. Whoops, for this top one, I'm sorry, the decimal point is right there. You guys are probably yelling that at me. For this decimal, it is negative 0.16666 repeating. And this last one is negative 0.1. You'll notice I didn't put the zeros out into the left of the decimal point. You can put them there if you want, but since they're all 0 in the ones place, it doesn't really matter. Now, let's look at the 10th place. In the 10th place, these two have a 1 and that one has a 9. If we look at them without the negative signs, 9 is bigger than 1 is. That means that this number right here at the top would be the biggest. But since these are negative, the biggest becomes the smallest. So the smallest number on the list is this one right here, negative 0.916 repeating, negative 0.916 repeating, which is negative 11/12. That's the smallest one on the list. I can cross it off now. I don't have to worry about it anymore. I know it's the smallest. Let's look at these two now to see which one is the second smallest. First, look at them without their negative signs. Look in the 10th place. I'm sorry, the 100th place. 6 is bigger than this invisible 0. That means that this is bigger than that one. Bigger. That's without the negative signs. When you put the negative signs on there, that bigger number becomes the smaller number. That means that this is the second smallest number on our list. Negative 0.1666666666. Which one was that? That was negative 1/6. This must be the third smallest, negative 0.1. And we already said the biggest number is the one positive number, 0.12 repeating. So line them up, figure out without their negative signs which ones are bigger and smaller, and then switch those when you put the negative signs on. The ones that are the biggest become the smallest when they have negative signs. Let's write down our homework for tonight. Homework for tonight. Homework is going to be in your textbook, page 104. In your textbook, page 104, we're going to do just a couple of them. We're going to do numbers 7 and 8. And then we're going to do numbers 19 and 20. 7 and 8, you have to put less than or greater than in between the numbers. 19 and 20, you have to put them in order from least to greatest. All right, page 104, 7 and 8, and 19 and 20. That's it. I will see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.